Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying on the Glam box. Now, if you're not familiar with this box, it's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. And I also have a 10% discount code for you guys. So if you use code Michelle Martin, you get 10% off of your first subscription box. Let's just take a minute and talk about how cute this box is. I mean, seriously, girl. It's so cute, minus the fact that mine's a little crushed up. Because my mail lady, you know, she has to shove everything in my mailbox. Even though clearly it doesn't fit. She's going to shove it in there anyways. It doesn't matter. Like, the lady has literally broke the flag off from the inside. And I had to bolt the thing back on because she cannot just walk up. I guess I have too long of a walkway or something. Like, she feels it not necessary that she get out of her car. Anyways, that's my rant about the mail lady. So I just wanted to explain why the box is messed up looking. So this is the first time that I've ever tried the Glam box, but yeah, I'm excited to try it. So if you like these types of videos, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. So girl, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is going to be base blue. Now this one I'm not going to use. I'm just going to set it aside because I actually already received that palette in my ice cream box, which is this one here. I love the tulips. I think this palette is so adorable. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm actually going to be using this as blush because this is like a eyeshadow and blush palette. The next thing that I see in here is a Basic Beauty. Now this is the Vodka Soda. This is a lip liner and a lipstick, which I've already also received in an ice cream box. So I'm going to be setting this aside as well for a giveaway. But this is mine right here, and this is the shade. Now the lip liner is going to be a dark brown, and the lipstick is going to be more of your like pinky nude, but it looks really well like paired together. I love the combo. I didn't receive a little card, so there is no like little theme, or I don't know the prices of stuff. So I just thought I would mention because I normally do pop all the prices up in the value of the box. Up next is a brush, and I like the little bag that it comes in, and this is what the brush looks like. It's dual-ended. I'm going to use it for blush today, even though I normally use stippling brushes. And then we have this side here. This side I feel like would be good for an under eye or highlight, so I think I'm going to use this side for highlight today and this for blush, but this would probably be good for contour as well. A purple eyeliner, which I never use purple eyeliner. I think that's one of the things I like about getting subscription boxes is that you try products that you normally wouldn't buy. That is a huge box for one little eyeliner. But anyways, we actually got another eyeshadow palette. So that's pretty cool that you got 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. But this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and take this plastic off. But yeah, that's what I love about subscription boxes is that you're trying things that you normally wouldn't. Like, I would never buy like a purple eyeliner because I don't know, I just wouldn't buy it, you know. But since I got it in a subscription box, I'm definitely gonna try it and see if I like it or not. Okay, I got the plastic off. That's what it looks like. That's a very pretty palette. This is the Orklin, I think is how you say it. Pink Memory. I love that purple in there. So you know what? Today we are going to be doing a purple look because I have a purple eyeliner. It has a purple shadow in here. I've been talking about doing a purple look anyway. So that's what we're going to be doing today, girl. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the lips because my lips are dry and I just want to get something on them. I love the Basic Beauty lipsticks. They're really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do my blush, and I'm going to use the brush, and I'm going to use the Base Blue palette, and I'm going to mix these 2 colors here for my blush. I've used it for eyeshadow. I don't really care for it for eyeshadow. They're not very pigmented for your eyeshadow. Like, you do have to build them up quite a bit. But for blush, I love it for blush. They build up super easy for blush though. And it also has a really pretty sheen. I do really like this palette. I think it's so cute. The brush is pretty nice. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this other side for a little bit of highlighter, just so I can try it. And I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula highlighter. I like this little side for my Cupid's bow and my nose, actually. Yeah, it works great. I do like the brush. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes now, and I'm gonna start, I think, with this shade here in my transition area. I've never used this brand of eyeshadow before. There is a lot of kickback in the palette so far. This shade is kind of powdery, but it seems to be blending out really nicely. So I think what I want to do is go into this black shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. So far, this palette's doing pretty well. Like I said, there is quite a bit of kickback. I'm just gonna buff this edge out a little bit here. Just gonna try to buff it out and diffuse this black shade. I'm just gonna bring it around and keep that black in my crease. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just blend out that black. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here and buff out that black a little bit in my crease here. I usually like to take a different shade like this just to buff out black so that way it's not so harsh. And this black is being a little bit patchy in my corner here. So I'm going to really try to pack it in there. Yeah, it's just being kind of patchy over here a little bit. Not really caring for that, but we'll make it work. It's not really doing that over here on this side. So now I'm going to take that really pretty purple shimmer on a flat brush, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner. It's not coming off as bright as I wanted it to, and getting a lot of fallout from this color. And a ton of fallout. My gosh. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I don't know if I'm liking this palette. It's being a little like patchy over here in this corner. I'm not loving that. I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray and try to get this purple to work a bit better. Yeah, that looks better. That looks a bit better. It's a dry formula, I would say. I mean, whew. If you get this palette, definitely use it before you do your makeup, because it's making a mess everywhere. I'm just gonna take this brush, I'm not adding anything to it, and I'm just gonna blend out. I think I'm gonna try this for my highlight shade and see what happens there. This palette is definitely on the drier side though. Like, it is just like flaking everywhere. Okay, so I like the white shade as a highlighter. I'm gonna take a small pencil brush and use that black shade and put it underneath of my lash line here. Where is that pencil? Okay, the purple eyeliner. And hopefully this looks good in my waterline, because that's where I'm gonna put it, in my waterline. Okay, so I like the eyeliner actually. It looks pretty. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera because I have so much dark makeup going on around it. It probably just looks black to you, but I think that eyeliner looks really good. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to hop off camera. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, girl, I'm back. I got my makeup finished. So I'm just going to go over each product and tell you what I thought. So the base blue palette, I really do like this palette. I think it's so cute. I love it for blush. I really like it a lot better for blush than I do for eyeshadows. You can use it for eyeshadow, but it is on the thinner side, so it's more of your sheer eyeshadows. So if you wanted something with like a little bit of color, but not a whole lot of pigment to it, just more of your like, you know, sheer wash of color, this is a nice little palette. I do enjoy this palette. I love that it's tulips. It's so cute. Okay, girl, this palette. So I like the look. Okay, this is the look that I came up with. I like it. It was a bit difficult. It's pretty dry. Like the formula of this eyeshadow is kind of dry. So I definitely had to spray my brush. The black shade is a bit patchy. I like the white shade for my inner corner highlight. I think that looks cute. It's an okay palette. It's nothing, you know, to write home about, but it's okay. So I really like this brush. I like this side for highlight. It worked really nice for my nose and my Cupid's bow, so I do like this little brush. The lipstick and lip liner I love. Basic Beauty has great lipstick formulas. They're not sticky, they dry down, and they do last for a while. And I love the dark liner with the lighter lip color. I normally do that with any of my lipsticks, so I love that this duo comes like that. And last but not least is the eyeliner. Now, I enjoyed this eyeliner. You probably can't tell on camera, but it does show up like a dark purple. It probably just looks black to you. Glad that I got to try this eyeliner because, like I said, I normally would not try a dark purple eyeliner, so I'm glad that I got it in the Slay Glam box because, girl, I would never just buy a purple eyeliner. But yeah, let me know, what do you think about the Slay Glam box for May? Did you like it? Would you skip out on it? Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!